university tool, the FLEXIO 990, after you get done with all the painting and the staining, and recently I was tired, and I half cleaned my gun, and I let it set in my case, and the paint started to get hard, and now you got to work double to get it clean. But these pieces on the nozzle, where the air flows through and the paint flows through, must be clean. These holes must be clear in the parts to this nozzle, or you're going to have a mess. So taking the time to break it down and take a small nail or something sharp to clear out these, especially the air hose section. Paint's not going to flow good, not going to be pushed out evenly. So breaking it down and cleaning it is going to help you to maintain the air flow, the paint flow. Got a locking cap in this. Go inside of there. And screws right on top. And right here, there's another hole that I made sure that was clear. You can't see it because of that. But it's right there. Make sure that's cleared out. And this just slides back under. And this little rubber piece here is sticking up. So if I can show it. Don't lose that. That goes inside of here. Like that. And this screws right on top of here. And the hose connects. Seriously, right? I'm going to slide the hose on. Connects right there, and we're going to test out the spray and make sure the spray comes out like it's supposed to. Got some water in the cup here. I'm going to test out my nozzle here and see how the spray comes out. Looks good. Let me change the setting. I think that was vertical. Let me try horizontal. Get it screwed on. That was my high setting. Let me try my low setting. Looks good. Put it back on high. Got the simple setting knob on the top there. Got to get a little bit more paint off, but go from low to high.